When 22-year-old web developer Adam Jackson moved into San Francisco's Tenderloin district, he got fed up with the crime and noise. So he pointed his webcam out his window and created ADAMSBLOCK-DOT-COM.
It certainly has raised more awareness. I know the city is doing more cleanups in the block. It's there's more street cleaning and stuff. So I think it's actually making them want to try harder as far as making it clean. But I have a feeling that there are politicians that are keeping a close eye on this, and they're pretty happy with the results so far.
More than 500,000 people have seen the videos on the site and on YouTube. His camera captured several apparent crimes taking place, including robberies and assaults. While police say they're happy to have video for evidence, they say they're not yet ready to encourage the use of civilian street cams.
Quite a few people did look at that particular webcam, and we are aware of that. But again, as I stated before, we're not endorsing such a thing.
Jackson recently took his site down after getting threats from a graffiti group, claiming he was invading their privacy.
By attacking me online, horrible phone calls to my employer, and putting posters up on my neighborhood saying things that aren't true, trying to turn the community and the city against me.
While Jackson's site is down, other neighborhood watch webcams have popped up in the city. Jackson envisions a global network of street cams tied together through a single website, so viewers can keep an eye on the streets all over the world. Haven Daily, The Associated Press, San Francisco.